name is Fran and welcome to the Little Baby Bum Sing-Along Corner. Now today I'm going to be teaching you how to sing a song called 10 Little Buses. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to use one of my favourite instruments. Now if you know what this is called, I want you to shout it out after 3. 1, 2, 3. That's correct, well done. It is a piano. Now I have actually named my piano, so I'd like to introduce you to Polly. This is Polly the piano. Now today Polly and I are going to help teach you the song bit by bit. We're going to work through the lyrics and the music and the dance moves, and then we're all going to be ready to put on a brilliant performance. So I'm going to sing it once through for you and then we'll get started. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. Right, shall we get started? So I'm going to say the first line and I just want you to repeat it after me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Now your turn. Well done, amazing. And the first line goes like this. So the melody line goes like this. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Shall we do that one more time? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Amazing, now try that just with you and the piano. And that was amazing. Great, let's do it together one more time. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Amazing. Now, while you sing these lovely, lovely lyrics, I would really like you to count on your hands as well. So we're going to go 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Shall we try that all together? And 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Amazing. Now I can't play the piano and count on my hands at the same time, so I need you to make sure that you're doing that on your own. Ready? Let's try that first line all together. And 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. That is amazing. Well done. You're doing really, really well. Let's try it one more time. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. Amazing, well done. Let's try it one more time with me just playing the piano and you singing this time. And that's amazing, well done. Let's move on to the second line. So the second line goes 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. So I want you to just say that line after me. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. Say that with me. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. Well done. Now once on your own and well done. Amazing. And if you want to sing that, we're going to go 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. Try that with me. And 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. Brilliant. One more time. And this time you're going to count on your hands as well. So you're going to go 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. So now you're using both hands, yeah? Great. Let's give that one more go. And 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. Are you stretching your hands out? I really hope you are. So nice, big, strong, big numbers on your hands, please. So let's try that line one more time. And 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. That is amazing. I think you can do this on your own with me just playing the piano. Let's give that a go. And that's amazing. Let's do it one last time and then we'll move on. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. Amazing. Shall we join the first line and the second line together? I think we should. So we're going to go from the very beginning. I want to see nice, big, strong hands and big, loud voices as well, please. I want to hear those. And 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. That's amazing, but I think we can do it one more time and a little bit louder. And 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 absolutely amazing. So the next line goes like this. 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. So if I say that line and you just repeat after me. 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. Let's say it together. 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. And now your turn, and 7. Well done. And so the melody is exactly the same as the first line. So we're going to go 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. Let's try that one more time together, and 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. And with just the melody, if you just listen for this, it goes. So let's try that one more time, and 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. That's absolutely amazing. And we need to make sure that we're still counting. So we're going to go 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. So let's try that all together. Our big strong hands counting 7, 8 and 9 and singing nice and loudly. Ready? And 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. Absolutely amazing. Well done. Let's try that one more time, and then we're going to join those 3 lines all together. And 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. That's absolutely fantastic. Well done. Do you think we can go from the very beginning? I think you're ready, and I think Polly thinks you're ready too as well. So we're going to go from the very beginning, nice big loud voices and lovely big strong hands, counting out those numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 1 little 2 little 3 little buses, 4 little 5 little 6 little buses, 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. And stop there. Very good. Shall we try that one more time before we learn the final bit of the song? Yeah, brilliant. So 1 little 2 little 3 little buses, 4 little 5 little 6 little buses, 7 little 8 little 9 little buses. Very good. That was absolutely amazing. You guys are sounding really wonderful. So the final line goes 10 little buses. So the word buses, we're going to sing over 3 beats of the music. So we're going to go 10 little buses. So just say that with me, and 10 little buses. And now say it on your own, and 10. Amazing, well done. And the melody goes like this. So we're going to sing down a scale. We're going to go 10 little buses. Try that all together, and 10 little buses. Brilliant. So what I want you to do on this one is I want you to obviously still be counting the number 10, but when you open up your hands to make that number 10, I want you to also push your arms forward so it's a nice big number. So you're going to go 10 right in front of you, just like that. So if we were to sing it, we'd go 10 little buses. Try that with me, and 10 little buses. That's absolutely amazing. Well done. And let's try it with me playing the piano and you singing those lovely notes. Ready? 2, 3, go. 10 little buses. That's absolutely amazing. You are all sounding so incredible. Well done. Shall we try and link it all together? We're going to do it really slowly, line by line. I want you to make sure you're singing nice and loudly, nice, big, beautiful, bright voices, bright smiles as well. And I want to see all of those hands counting really nice and big. I don't want any arms down here, nice and big. And remember, on that number 10, we're going to push right forward. Brilliant. Let's give it a go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. That was absolutely amazing. Now this time I'm just going to play the piano so you can sing on your own. Let's give that a go. And That's amazing. I think Polly thinks that you're doing a brilliant job as well. So let's sing it one more time. We're going to take it a little bit faster, because now that I know that you know the lyrics and you know the moves, I think we can sing it a little bit faster. All together. And 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. Absolutely amazing. How was that? I hope you're having lots and lots of fun. I know I am. So let's try it one more time with me playing a little bit faster, but I'm not going to sing this time so I can just hear your lovely voices. Ready? And... absolutely amazing. Right, so let's sing it a couple of times through, just because I'm feeling left out and I want to sing along with you. So we're going to do that a couple of times more. Ready? And 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. That's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, I think it's time for you to sing along with your favourite little baby bum characters. See you next time. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. Yeah! 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. Yeah! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,